In this video, we'll learn a very quick but very important trick. All right. So, example, sometimes what we need to do, we keep typing like this. I know wrong spelling. So, my YouTube channel. Okay. Now, what we do? We have to do this like this to make it autofit. So there is a simple formula how you can do that. So you need to right click here, go to view code, and when this is open here, you need to change it to worksheet. Here you type cells dot entire column, double click here, dot autofit here, and then go to file, close it. Now you type whatever you want to type, it will adjust itself. For example, Durvesh Sharma Kumar DK SR whatsoever. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.